welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your monthly general message for November 2020. And no, there will not be a lovebird bonus. This is for the general message. Love messages will come very, very soon. Angels and guides, positive energy for the month of November for Taurus. Angels, thank you, angels. I love these new cards because, yeah, they just fall out of my hand. Angels and guides, positive energy. Thank you. I feel like that goes there. Moving on to, yes, my mama's deck. Angels and guides, positive energy. Positive energy for, thank you, for Taurus, the month of November. Yes, positive energy, high vibrations for Taurus. Yes and yes. Now, let's add the Dragon's deck, shall we? Angels, we're looking for some good high vibrations for Taurus. Come on, angels. You know what? Come on, angels. Cat got you done. Angels and guides, positive energy. Thank you. I so appreciate that. And just a few more angels. And there it is. All right, so let's top this off, shall we, with the hummingbird deck, as usual. Thank you. Thank you, angels. Positive energy for Taurus. Thank you and thank you. Thank you, and that goes there. May we have one more, please? Just one more. Just one. I feel like we need to. All right, so let's tidy up a bit and we will get right into your message. All right, major theme for the month. Let's tidy up a little bit more. Major theme for the month is the seven of swords reversed. Taurus, someone walked away. Someone left, but I feel like they are thinking about coming back. With the Six of Clubs, I feel like that communication, you don't hear them. I don't hear them, but they're thinking about it. And you're like, but how am I supposed to know? Right? It's just, I think that you will feel it. You would definitely feel someone coming back. With the Four of Hearts, I feel like this has this person, this energy that's thinking about coming back with the Four of Hearts. I feel like it's going to make you feel good. It's going to make you feel like rewards. You're going to feel happy about this. You're going to be happy that feelings changed. But with the Seven of Clubs, whatever happened in the past, let it stay in the past. This new renewal, just let it be. Okay? All right, now let's get into the recent past, okay? So in the recent past, you had Temperance, with the 10 of diamonds, the 5 of clubs, the illusion card, with the 8 of diamonds and the 2 of hearts. So in the recent past, I feel like you were so patient. Gosh, you were patient, Taurus. And I feel like you were patient because abundance. You had to be patient. You were patient because of, or waiting for abundance, a lot of abundance to come to you. But you kept changing your mind about that because you were wondering, is this an illusion? Was this even real? Right? With the 8 of diamonds, I still see that you were pressing forward. With the 2 of hearts, it looks like it had something to do with someone that you loved dearly. It could have been a love romantic. It could be a friend. It could be a family member. Whomever it was that you were being patient for. It was surrounding money. But you kept changing your mind. Like, is this real? Or is this memorized? But nonetheless, even though you weren't sure if it was real, you kept moving forward, okay? You kept it together, cohesive, if you will. All right, so let's look into the middle of the month. We have the Magician card, reversed with the 2 of hearts again, with the King of diamonds, and the Mystery card, with the Jack of hearts and the Ace of diamonds. So I feel like I feel like the Magician card in the middle of the month. You're not doing any more work. You're not investing any more work into your love bonds. You are becoming, with the King of Diamonds, more powerful in your own right. Almost like moving away from and going towards your, like, I feel like a individual, your I don't know why, but I want to say destiny, right? This King of Diamonds is very, very powerful, and it's like slaying the dragons. Yeah, yeah. And you're like, I don't even know where this energy is coming from. You're feeling like you have to make this sacrifice for this newness that is coming, this new energy that is welling up in you. But sacrifice you will do for this new endeavor, for this new energy, for this, like, I see you just growing, and all of a sudden you might be like 5'11", but by the end of the month, by the middle of the month, you're gonna see people are gonna look at you and assume that you are taller than what you actually are, because your energy is gonna be so powerful. Okay, all right, now let's look at the end of the month, shall we, Taurus? You have the eight of wands reversed with the Queen of clubs, the 5 of hearts, and the growth card, the 2 of diamonds, and the Jack of diamonds. So by the end of the month, I see someone shutting down verbally communication. It seems to be going in the opposite direction. So if you were talking to someone, yeah, you're probably going to be a little bit quiet this by the end of the month. With the Queen of clubs, there is an element of intuition. There's an element of maybe communicating telepathically, if that makes sense. Your feelings are definitely changing, and you're trying to let them know telepathically that, yeah, you might even be, some of you might even be blocking someone, okay? I feel like this is growth for you. With the 2 of diamonds, I feel like you're becoming more, I don't want to say cold, but more as a matter of fact, like that King of diamonds, just like that. You know what? This is just the way it is. There's no feelings involved in this. You're all about the Jack of diamonds. You're all about the creative money, okay? The creativeness of this, and not so much as the feelings. Now, when we look at your bonus, Taurus, you have the, isn't this lovely? You need this month. The Empress card with the Fool and the King of spades, the Jack of diamonds, the Shine card, and the 3 of hearts, the Queen of clubs, and the Jack of clubs. So I feel like, the bonus is telling me that even though you're not using so much of this beautiful love energy, you still have it, right? You still have it. You still have it going on. But I feel like with that Fool card, that energy is off in a brand new direction. But let me tell you something. It is going in a new direction. But with the King of spades, it's a lot of work jumping off that cliff. It's a lot of work. With the Jack of diamonds, because you're not so sure if this is really what you want to do. But nonetheless, you're still putting your best foot forward in this direction. You're not so sure, once again, with the 3 of hearts. You're kind of conflicted about this emotionally. With the Queen of clubs, I see your psychic ability. I see, because you have 2 of these, your psychic ability is on point this month, so make sure you listen to it, Taurus. Listen to it. So I feel like this 3 of hearts also could represent a couple of people in your life. But you're looking good to both of them, okay? With the Queen of clubs, I feel that you definitely know this. With the Jack of clubs, there's some youthful energy around you, so be mindful of that. And it might even be you, okay? Maybe you're entertaining a couple of people. Maybe that couple of people could be romantic. Maybe it could be friends. Maybe it could be roommates. Maybe it could be people that you are working with. But be mindful of spreading your energy this month. Okay, it is there and you can do it, but then there's also that part that you might be a little bit hot and cold this month. A part of you is very, stand up, do the right thing. I'm going to, I'm just going to be in the front of the war, tearing down the enemy. And then there's that other part of you that you are caressing the enemy, if that makes sense. Like they love you, almost like your enemies love you, okay? So I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.